how do you structure your live show in a way that is extremely engaging for your post live audience? What are you doing? Give me a couple takeaways.
So I don't live stream for the sake of repurposing the content. I
Okay.
repurpose the content because the live streams make it possible. So that wasn't something that's intentional. It's just something that after a period of time, people kept saying, hey, I would love to hang out in your live streams, but I don't have the time. I would love to, get some of this information, because on my YouTube channel, everything is extremely targeted. I make sure that I'm getting in front of the right audience, all that stuff. My live streams, I answer question after question after question after question. I have a form that they fill out. I do it all for free. Super chats go to the top of the line, of course, but basically, like it gives people the opportunity to get customized questions customized answered based on the things that they're dealing with on their YouTube channels. So because of that, it just happened to work out in my case that each question can essentially be turned into a piece of video content. The entire live stream can be turned into a podcast, which I'm not as committed to that as I should be. I have like a handful of them up there, but I should be way more committed to that, but I'm just not. But
you need to talk to me you need to talk to me and my team over here, Nick. We got your back. We'll help you out.
Yeah, we do actually. We need to have that conversation. Totally. Absolutely. Because I need help on the clips too. But the idea though is that, since I do answer those questions for 3 hours straight during my live streams, then that gives me tons of additional content that I can use. Sometimes if I'm like, hey, I've been busy and I haven't had time to make content, then I'll just grab one of those clips and I'll even publish it on my main channel. I'll make it a little bit more appropriate for the main channel with more B-roll graphics, things like that. And I'll typically edit those just so I can make sure that they're, right for the channel. But what's funny is I can spend, the time setting up all the lights and doing all the stuff to make, like a good piece of dedicated video content on a topic. And those will do just as good as the repurposed live streaming content once it's all edited down and all that stuff, so it doesn't feel live, right? It feels like a piece of video content in that case. But it's kind of funny because like by making the live stream, I get to luck out and have all of this additional content that I can lean on in the event that I need it and to use in other ways.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media. Peace.